How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get and set up IPTV Smarters application to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is actually pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And now, without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader to your Firestick. And you can actually get downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and start typing downloader in the search bar. And usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app because, as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on downloader, and now here's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after I got downloader, it's actually not over yet because we still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader on your Firestick, we'll have to go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon. Then you have to scroll down until you see My Fire TV. You open it, and now in here, what you have to do is turn on developer options on your Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps, and now from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and just turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick. Here it is, we open it, and now here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Latvia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So now we go back to the list of apps on your device, open it, and then go straight to downloader. So let's start up the downloader application. And now in here, what you have to do is on the left side menu, make sure to click on home. And now here in the search bar, we need to enter a code, which will be 28907. So once again, it's 28907. That's the code you have to enter. And then click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now when the website opens, you just have to scroll down a bit until you find this list of categories. And from here, we need to click on IPTV players, and then a list of apps is going to appear. From here, of course, select the IPTV Smarters Pro, Then an ad might pop up for you. If it does pop up, just click on close to close down the ad. And then a new web page should load for us, and here it is. And now we just need to scroll it down. And keep scrolling until you find the Download Classic button, so that's what we are looking for. Click on Download Classic, and now the download of this app is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long. And after the download, you have to click Install and just wait for the IPTV Smart OS Pro to get installed on your Firestick device. And after it is installed, don't click on Open yet. Instead, press on Done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on Delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick, you'll open it, and here you will find the IPTV Smart OS, which we just downloaded. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. Then let's open IPTV Smart OS on your Fire TV stick. And from here, if you have an M3 link, you would need to click on this option. Then add any name to the playlist. After that, select the M3 URL option and enter it right here in the app. Alternatively, you can also use extra codes if you got that. So you would need to click this option and then again enter any name to your playlist, and then use the username, password, and a link which were given to you by your IPTV provider. And pretty much that's it. That's the easy way to get and set up IPTV Smart OS player on your Firestick device. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.